Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54017 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c-escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am doing, I am selecting marks table, select star from marks. Contains 4 columns: max, physics, total and average. Here total and average are the virtual columns. Okay, now let me insert some values. Insert into marks, max comma physics value. I am setting the values for max and physics because the rest of the 2 columns are virtual columns. Okay, let's start from marks. So okay, you can see that total is calculated and average is also calculated. So what I am going to do next, I am going to update. Okay, I am going to update. I am going to update the virtual column called average. Okay, so what is the problem here? ORA-54017 update operation disallowed on virtual columns. So you cannot update a value for virtual column. So previously we saw error for we cannot insert value for virtual column. Similarly, we cannot update the values for virtual columns. So leave it as it is. That is a fix for ORA-54017 error.